In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove sound from a video in CapCut. Whether you're muting a clip for a cleaner edit or need to extract and remove the audio track completely, this tutorial will walk you through the steps. CapCut is a fantastic video editing tool with a simple and user-friendly interface, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced editors. If you're new to CapCut and don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive into the process. First, let's talk about how to lower the volume of a video clip all the way to 0. Start by launching CapCut on your device and opening the project you're working on. Once your project is open, import your video file into the timeline. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file or using the import option, whichever works best for you. Once your video is in the timeline, click on the clip to select it. This step is important because selecting the clip ensures that the editing panel updates on the right side of your screen, giving you all the options you need for that specific clip. Now, look for the audio or volume section in the editing panel. It's usually located on the right-hand side of the screen. If you don't see it right away, double-check that the video clip is indeed selected. Sometimes it's easy to miss this step, and the panel won't display the audio options unless the clip is highlighted. Once you've found the volume slider, drag it all the way to the left until the number reads 0. This action will mute the video completely, but don't worry, it won't affect the visual content of your clip. If you're using a touchscreen device or a sensitive mouse, adjust the slider gently to make sure it actually reaches 0. And that's it. Your video is now muted. Next up, let's move into extracting and deleting the audio track from your video entirely. This method is helpful if you want to separate the audio for editing or get rid of it altogether. Start by opening your CapCut project and adding your video to the timeline, just like before once your video is in place. Right-click on the clip, a context menu will pop up, and from here, select the Extract Audio option. What this does is separate the audio from the video, creating a new audio track that you'll see appear just below your video layer in the timeline. Keep in mind that if you're using the free version of CapCut, you'll only be able to use the Extract Audio feature once per project, so make sure this step fits your editing plan. Once the audio track has been created, click to select it. This ensures that you're working on the correct layer and not accidentally editing something else in your timeline. Now, to delete the audio track, you have two simple options. You can either press the delete key on your keyboard or right-click on the audio track and choose delete from the context menu. Either method will remove the audio track from your project. Before you proceed, double-check that the correct audio track is highlighted to avoid accidentally deleting something you didn't intend to. And with that, the audio has been successfully removed from your video. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to removing sound from a video in CapCut. Whether you're muting the clip or completely removing the audio, these steps will help you achieve the result you need for your edits. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.